Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you ever want to watch YouTube on your Peloton, simply come down to the bottom right, select the three dots. Then you need to go ahead and you need to select the About. Once we select the About, in the bottom right-hand corner, go ahead and tap it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give it a little bit of time. You'll see the Web View Browser Tester. Go ahead and select it. Then you can go ahead and type in whatever website you would like. In this example, we're going to go ahead and watch a little bit about
I think the big thing is don't be afraid
neck
to fail.
folds.
I wouldn't be up here.
So pretty nice. You can go ahead in and you can search for other things as well. Of course, I went into YouTube, but you could just type in something like google.com, hit go, and there you have it. When you're ready to go back, just select the P at the bottom. And you're back. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.